today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to how to format FAT32 on Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go into your Windows 11 PC, and of course, if you are Windows 10, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into the Windows 11 for free. And now you can even run the installation or the download into the background of your PC if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. Of course, once the installation finished, you will find yourself with a notification that asks you to restart or to reboot your PC, so you can actually find yourself with the Windows 11 you need to use. And of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not make you lose any of your files, so don't worry about that. And of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 11. But once you get used into Windows 11, you will even like it much better even than Windows 10, so you will not go back into it, in my opinion at least. So as we said, we would like to format into FAT32. So the first thing that we would like to do is just go and open the file explorer. Of course, you can just go and look for it and open it, or you can just use the shortcut, which is actually Windows E, that opens it directly. And of course, now you would like to go into this PC. Now you'd like to go into whatever flash USB drive and just right click on it. And of course, you can just select this format option. Once you click at format, you will find this. Click at format. And of course, here in the file system, you will normally have the FAT32, and of course just select it and click at next. This USB don't have it, so of course let's just look for other USB. As an example, let's just look for this one. As you can see here, the file system, it has it, so make sure to just select it and click at start, and you will actually format into the FAT32 without any problems. You will be good to go. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.